Hey, what's up YouTube? Chaotic Lizards, I'm back, just as chaotic as ever. I just wanted to show you guys this new Honda SR125. I got a trade deal, pretty cool, pretty sweet deal, free to me pretty much. It's just a little pit bike they call it, so a lot of fun, strictly for fun. So it's actually not in good condition at all. It's got a flat tire. When the guy pulled it out of his car, the peg fell off, but I fixed that, put it back on. So yeah, strictly for fun, strictly for beating up around the yard. So let's give it a ride. Super loud, super loud. Nice addition to the motorcycle collection. There's the fam, there's the fam. Has no brakes at all. This thing's got no brakes, super dangerous. I told you I got it in a cheap trade, so really I wasn't expecting much, but definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. This thing's a lot of fun. Just for whipping around the backyard. So got a few good rides out of it already, so definitely worth it to me. Real smooth. Feels good. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Yeah, there's actually no brakes, I told you, and the kill switch doesn't work, so I just gotta kind of stall this thing out. All right, YouTube. See you next time.